Yo, gentle people, Wagwan Bunny here. So, welcome to BLA Quickies, which is going to be a series of videos, short videos specifically, which are going to be different from the skits that will be on the channel. They'll usually be like probably, short 1 to 2 or 3 minute scenes from a play, or probably your favorite scenes, or probably old promos for scenes, or stuff that you'll actually see in this video itself based on the title, as you can see. But anyway, I've done enough talking. Enjoyed this first episode. Well, probably shouldn't say episode, but you get the point. Rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Enjoy.
Baba, there's someone that look for me right now. I try to keep a low profile.
Shebada, I think Trevor in some kind of trouble. Trevor, why the man them looking for you?
When they find me, we find out.
Tell Trevor say we come for your money and he need for half it. Right now!
My business comes first, second, third, and fourth. Then comes after.
This is not a competition. This is serious business.
Planting one day the truth.
Trevor is a decent, upstanding young man.
Sometimes Christians are referred to as the devil. Let me introduce myself. The name is Trevor.
You know, ever since you found out that the so-called son Trevor come here, you know you changed course, Papa.
If me and you stay on the same course, we will collide. Let go after this. After all.
Make a rent a place and move in together.
Baba, let me ready to live together here.
You know why I love him so much, And him so damn lie.
Half a dog, you're quite a guy.
You should get to know me more.
Half a dog is gonna kill somebody.
Me have something to say to you, but I know why you cuss me. I think you should have find another man. You know, see your life pull up. This is real amusement. Don't shoot a man kind of fish not fry.
In a time like this, life is not important.
Anybody make it out alive when they call me.